A quick demonstration of the new winding scheme that we can use in 3D buildings that are unwired. These two buildings, I'll show you by magic how we turn them on. First, we'll turn the lights out. The merchant house, lit up on all sides. So we go through the 100-acre woods. And yet with the power of a magical little magnet, we can turn it off. The Ulvheim bridge house, once again, lit up. Using the magnet, we turn it off. It's got two lights in this one, side one off, and it looks really impressive. Really impressive. And we turn the other side off. To turn it back on, we just touch it with a magnet, and it'll come back on. It's the Hornby bridge house. So the magic in here, that's the magnet switch there. I've got the other magnet switch there. That's the light strip. That's the magnet by Hornby. Get it close, don't have to get too close. And you turn on the light. This one's around the side. And you turn the light on. Then a tiny little watch battery. Same in here, I've just got a piece of wood in here holding it all together. There's the magnet switch there. You know it's on that pole out there. The light turns on. And I'm feeding that light down. You can see it under here. It just feeds into the main building. And now we have a lighted building.